In this tutorial we will show you the step-by-step process of backing up Gmail account emails using the RecoveryTools Gmail Backup tool. To install our Gmail Backup tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. If you have a Google Workspace admin account, you can click on the I am admin option in Batch Backup mailboxes. Uncheck I am admin option to go back. Uncheck the Using Google OAuth Authentication option to see other sign-in options available. Here, the program lets you sign in with a Gmail app password. Again, select Using Google OAuth Authentication option to begin the backup process. Enter your Gmail address and click Sign in with Google option. A new window will open asking to select the Google account to sign in with. Click on Select All option. Our tool also backups email messages and contacts. Click on Continue and go back to the tool. Select or deselect folder for backup using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select Saving option allows the user to choose a saving method. They can choose from a variety of saving choices. Let's select PSD option for this tutorial. Users can also split PSD files into segments. They can choose the size from the box next to it. Destination path shows the location for the saved backup folder. Click on Change button to select the location. Our tool provides users with filter options for selected backup. Select Use Advanced Settings for selected backup option to use filters such as Date Range, by Sender, Subject, Exclude Folders, Match Exact Words, and Exclude Attachments. Our tool also supports incremental backup options so that user can backup data that has been modified or created since the previous backup was conducted. User can also use selective export settings for email folder option. Skip contacts option to exclude or include contacts within the backup. Go back to backup option. Simply click the backup button, and the backup process will begin. Once the backup is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the backup process was successful. Click OK, and open the destination folder and access the newly backed up files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.